Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorials. In the previous, we are going to learn about the how the top NPM packages. Okay, now we are going to explain each and every one step by step. First one is that is the Express. Okay, so let's dive into that one. So here we go with the Express. So let's go and go with Express over here. So I'm going to write the Express. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, Express fast unopinionated and minimalistic web framework for the Node.js, right? So let's do the installation first. So copy this one and let's go to the terminal of anybody Node.js. It's very huge. Then go with this one. Okay. Let's create a one Node.js application. So mkdir top Node.js. So we are going to do this one cd top Node.js npm init y. Okay, and then we will go with code, VS Code we have to open. Okay, let's install the server, sorry, npm package, that is Express. So install this. So it will come up with the Node.js module. Then we have to create a file that is app.js. Okay, and write the code for the Express. Okay, so this is the Express code. Right, so first we require the Express module, that is in Express. Then create an Express application with the help of the const app. Then define the routing, so like URLs for the web applications to access, that is the get route, post route, put route, get route, all the rest, all the kind of REST API, it will come over here. Okay, whether it's to be get, post, put, delete, everything. Okay, and this is the start the server and listen on the port. Okay, so this is the basic Express.js app, like basic code that we have to start. Okay, so this is the basic one that we have to every time you have to include. Okay, then on which port you have to listen to the server. Then you have to do like this app.listen on which port. Okay, and check this one. Let's save this and try this one. Go to the terminal and just you have to write n node app.js and you can see the port is running. And if I go to the server, sorry, browser, and write open localhost 3000, and here you can see hello world. So you can access the web browser, right? And here you can see in the get request I have sending the response with hello world. Okay, so this is that one. So this is the documentation also. Okay, installation and everything we have done, right? So you can see the same thing that they have used, I have already used that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.